Right, I'm filming. Please go.
Right, so this. Wait, are you filming? Okay, we're building a gamer's PC, and this is the brain of the computer. It's called the CPU, and it stands for. Oh, jeez, it's not here, dude. Where the fuck did you write it?
Oh,
The fan like cools it down, and like the mushroom thing here is like the metal things. It's a heat sink, and it gets rid of the heat
from the
brain mushroom.
otherwise known as what, Cherkira?
CPU.
Good.
Okay.
All right, continue, Molly.
This is the graphics card. It's blue and small because this is a cheap PC, and it's built into the motherboard. Yeah, it's built in because we're poor and we can't afford it. Like, stop.
Okay. And what's connected to that part?
That's another heatsink, but this one's slightly larger, and it looks like a hedgehog. And this is the baby hedgehog. It's like the smaller one. Okay, off you go, Shakira. Okay, a normal graphics card will go here, but this case is too tiny for it. It's just impossible. Okay. And then this here is the RAM, which I can't take out. I can't take out because my nail's too long. And basically, the RAM, basically you just need as much of this as you can get for a gaming PC. So it just like runs smoother and stuff. It says RAM. Most RAWs you can get.
Okay. Do you know what RAM stands for?
Oh, no. That. I did know, but the RAM took over, and it stands for something and memory.
Good enough. Okay.
It's a memory thing. Froze for like 5 minutes. I was just like, talk about your Minecraft house. Basically, it's made out of wood. Stone. And are you recording? Yeah. Oh, great. Yeah.
I should have recorded what you said before. It would have been really good for the blog.
See, I was just talking.
Yeah,
exactly.
We're just having bants. Anyways.
No, I've forgotten everything I just said.
Right. No, wait.
Let's start here then.
Okay, so that basically this is a PSU, which stands for Power Supply Unit, and this it's a supply unit of power.
Yeah, it just
powers the computer.
Power, dude.
It has a little fan over here somewhere.
There's so many fans.
And then, okay, yeah, and then. What else was I going to talk about? This is a hard drive here. They go at different speeds and stuff like that.
What type of speeds? What type of speeds?
This frames per second. Is that right? I don't know. She just said that.
No.
It goes
very fast.
It goes either very fast or very slow because there's a disk spinning in it, and there's another space for hard drive or an SSD card if you want it. And like if you
that's just
if you want
like
okay,
if you want that.
Shut up. And then if you want to make a gaming PC, you either want a big hard drive or multiple hard drives or an SSD. SSDs are faster than hard drives.
Good. SSD, do you know what it stands for?
Solid state drive.
Very good.
And then this DVD thing, you can watch the B movie, or you can play a normal game like normal people would do. You can play Minecraft. Yeah, you could buy Minecraft on a disc if you wanted, like this person over here, but what else have I made? Okay. This also is a fan, which takes the hot air out or puts cool air in. I do not know which way it goes, but that's fine.
It just does stuff.
This is the motherboard. I don't know if we said that. But this
No, we
green,
didn't.
this green thing is the motherboard. It's basically everything like RAM and the graphics card will slot into here. These things.
Oh, what's this? What's this, Cherkira? What is it? Oh,
Okay, this is the SATA cable. Okay, and it basically is faster than this cable here. And it connects a DVD drive to the motherboard and the hard drives to the motherboard through this.
cool. Thanks for telling me.
Sort of. I tried to say it.
Sort of
I tried to say it like properly as well. I fully like thought about it and I was just like, how do I say this word?
You still film it?
Oh yeah, keep talking. So talk to me about Minecraft.
Minecraft.
So basically, Cherkira was building her Minecraft house, and then
Oh my
her
god.
frame rate drops to 20 frames per second, which totally 20 frames per second, right?
It was like
Yeah.
8.
Like
my
8
computer
frames per
could do
second.
like 60 and it was at 8. My
Yeah.
computer just broke.
And like she was trying to build a house, but she couldn't because it was just so laggy because of the bad frame rate.
Of the graphic. I had no graphics card at this point. It was literally like this.
Yeah, it was cheap and shitty.
It was either the CPU broke or something, or it was just the fact that I didn't have a graphics card. I have no idea.
That sucks.